Dakota Track Memorial Walkway, Bay Reserve, Concord, or Rhodes. Okay, so first obstacle. I'm gonna have to go around. As you can see, not really that accessible, is it? First obstacle. Try. No. It's dangerous. Have to go back. Steep, too steep on the edge there. It's not wide enough or long enough to get a wheelchair down there. This way, McIlwaine Park. That's a pretty decent looking kids park. We'll have a look around here before we go up to the Dakota Memorial Walkway. Alright, so we're just about to start in the walkway, so I'll turn it off. Camera off, have a little bit of a break. We'll start up again.